Okay, I have some perfumes on my tray. And then this is my messy desk that I need to organize. And then I have some under my bed. I just haven't put them away yet. And this is in my bathroom. Now I know people are going to get mad at me. And then this is my main shelf that has to be organized. I have 2 shelves of like full-size bottles, and then I have some samples, messy stuff, more boxes of samples. Oh boy. And this is where I keep my boxes if I want to resell. People like to have the original box, so this is where I'm keeping them right now. Okay, so I threw all my perfumes on my bed, and now I'm going to attempt to color code them. Okay, blue first. Okay. So there we have it. There's only 4 black, it looks like. Oh, I forgot to put, I think this one maybe goes with pink, and this one maybe goes with pink. Anyway, so there they all are. There's like 3 metallic. I think this goes with the pink and purpley ones. Okay, so now I'm going to try to put them on my shelves according to color.